In this section, I'm going to see how to insert a screenshot or a screen capture into a PowerPoint presentation. Now in this case, I've opened up the Excel spreadsheet program, and as you can see, I've got some data and a chart. So I'll leave that open there and I'll open PowerPoint. So here's PowerPoint. If I click on the Insert tab, you'll notice within the Images section you've got a screenshot icon, and if I click on that, it's basically detected that I've got an open window with Excel in it. So if I click on that, the entire screen gets dumped into the slide. So I can sort of resize that. If I go and create a new slide, and I'll create a blank slide here. Now what I'm going to do is do something slightly different. Again, I'm going to click on Insert, Screenshot, but this time I'll click on what's called Screen Clipping. Now it automatically detects the fact I've got the Excel window open, and this time instead of the entire desktop, I can basically drag across the area I want. So let's say I click here and hold the mouse button down. I can drag across and maybe get up to the top here, and when I release the mouse button, look what happens. Basically just that selected area is dumped into the presentation. So in the first case, if we go back here, that was how you got the entire Excel window. In the second case here, we've just selected part of the window. Let's say you just wanted the ribbon itself. Let's try doing that. I'll go and create a new slide, and I'll create a blank slide here, and this time I'll go to Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and if I just wanted the ribbon here, I could move the mouse button to here and hold it down, drag across and go up like so. When I release the mouse button, as you can see, just the ribbon itself is now dumped into the presentation, like so.